Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoplay on the application of NFL app. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above, you will search about the application of NFL and you can click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.